exercise continuation, exercise 1.2, 7th month or 4th month, sorry. Find the last term, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Okay, I have to read the problem once again. First we have to understand the problem. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Solution for this problem, we have to find out 31st term. A31 equals question mark. Given 11th term, A11 is equal to 38 and A16 equals 73. Okay, 11th term of an AP is 38 and 16th term of an AP algebraic progression is 73. We have to apply a formula. That formula is D equals AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q is the formula. Here DP is what? 73. So AP is 73, AQ is 38 divided by P value is 16 and Q value is 11. 73 minus 38. 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 3, 3, 35. 16 minus 11, 5. Yes, 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. D equals 7. Then you have to know that, suppose I have to take then we have to find out what A value. Take this, A11 equals 38. Formula is A11 is written in the form of A plus 10D is equal to 38. A we should find out, right, as similar, plus 10 into D value 7 equals 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equal to 38 plus 30 plus 70, go to that side, sign will be changes. A equals 38 minus 70. You have to subtract. 38 minus 70 is not possible. For those reasons, I have to subtract 70 minus 38. We get 32 minus 32. A is equal to 32. So, then A equals minus 32. D equals 7. And we have to find out A31. A31 is equal to question mark. N equals how much here? 31. Formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula. AN is how much here? AN is A31st equals A value is minus 32 plus N value is 31 minus 1 and D value is 7 minus 32, write as similar, plus 31 minus 1 is 30 into 7 minus 32, write as similar. We have to know that first we have to remove the bracket now first. For those reasons, plus, write as similar, plus into plus, plus 7 30s are 210. Okay, then you have to subtract 210 minus 32. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. I have to borrow 1, means 10. It will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. It is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. It is 1. 178 is the answer. A31 is equal to 78. Okay, I have to explain it once again. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. We should find out 31. A31 is equal to question mark. A11 is equal to 38. It is 11th term. It is also given. And the 16th term, A16 is equal to 73. We have to know the formula to find the value of D in the arithmetic progression. D equals AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. AP value is 73 and AQ value is 38. P minus Q. P value is 60 and Q value is 11. 73 minus 38 equals 35. You have to subtract it. 35. 16 minus 11 it means 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. D equals 7. A11 is also given. You have to take either A11 is equal to 38 or A16 is equal to 73. I have to take the first one. A11 is equal to 38. A11 is 10D. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 right as similar. D value is 7 equals 38. Then 7 is 70. Plus 70 go to that side. Minus 70. 38 minus 70 is not possible. For those reasons, I have to subtract 70 minus 38. Get 32. Big number sign is minus. A is equal to minus 32. D is equal to 7. A31 is equal to question mark. N is equal to 31. Yes, it is also given. Formula is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 31. A minus 32. Substitute these values in this formula. Then minus 32 write as similar. Plus first we have to remove the bracket now for those reasons. 31 minus 1 I have to write 30 into 7. 7 30s are 210 minus 32 get how much answer? 178. Okay. Next I have to solve the problem. Problem number 5. These are the very important problems for the examination point of view. For those reasons I have to solve these problems in simple manner. The fifth one. An AP consists of 50 terms. 50 terms of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. It is the problem. Okay, I have to explain it once again. An AP consists of 50 terms. Okay, solution for this problem. How much terms are there? N is equal to 50. Of which third term is 12. A3 equals 12. And the last term is 106. Last term is what? The 50. Yes, it is twist here. There is no twist. You have to understand. Last term is 50th term. A50 is equal to 106. We have to find out A29 means 29th term is what? Same formula. D equals what? AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. AP is what? 106. AQ is 12. P value 50. Q value 3. You have to subtract this. 106 minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 50 minus 3, 47. 47 ones are 47 twos are. Then D is equal to how much? D is equal to 2. So first we have to calculate the value of D. Nothing but D is equal to 2. Take A3 is equal to 12 or A50 equals 106. For my opinion, I have to take the first one. A3 is equal to 12. A3 equals, written in the form of A plus 2D equals 12. A write as similar. D, sorry, in the formula 2 is here. I have to write as similar. D equals 2 equals 12. A plus 2 2s are 4 equals 12. A equals 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. A value is how much? 8. Okay, I have to write it once again. A value is 8. D value 2. N value what? 29. And A29 equals question mark. Formula. You have to know the formula to find nth term of an AP. A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. So I have to write it on the board. A29 equals A value. Substitute these values in this formula. A value 8, write as similar, plus symbol is here. N value 29 minus 1 and D value is how much? 2. A29 equals 8 plus 29 minus 1 is 28 into 2 is equal to 8, write as similar. 28 to 2s are 56 and add this. A29 is equal to how much? 64. Okay, I have to explain this problem once again fastly. 50 terms are there in the AP arithmetic progression. The third term is 12. The 50th term, the last term is 50th term is 106. We have to find out A29 is equal to question mark means 29th term. The formula AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. AP is what? 106. AQ is 12. P value how much? 50. And Q value is how much? 3. 106 minus 12 is equal to 94. 50 minus 3 is equal to how much? 47. You have to divide numerator by denominator. 47 ones are, 47 twos are. D is equal to 2. Okay, 2 formulas are there. Nothing but 2 instruction is there. A3, third term, you have to take either A3 is equal to 12 or A50 is equal to 106. I have to take A3 is equal to 12. A3, A plus 3 means 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2 into 2, the value of D is 2. Substitute here is equal to 12. A plus 2 2s are 4. 12, write as similar. Plus 4 go to that side. Your sign will be changes. Minus 4. 12 minus 4 equals A. A equals 8. D equals 2. A29 is equal to question mark. N is equal to 29. Substitute and we have to get the answer. Next, sixth one. Sixth problem. If the third term, and the ninth terms of an AP, third term and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Which term of the AP is 0 is the problem. Once again I have to explain or read the problem. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? Okay, the solution for this problem. Third term means A3 equals how much? A3 equals 4. And the ninth term A9 equals minus 8. Which term? You have to understand the problem correctly and perfectly. Which term means an is equal to 0. The nth term of an AP is given. We should find out the value of n is the very important factor here. Okay, the same formula. I have to apply the same formula. What is the formula? D equals AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q is the formula. B is equal to AP is how much here? Minus 8. And AQ is how much? Minus 4. In the formula minus A3 is how much here? 4. So I have to write as similar. P value is how much? 9. And Q value is how much? 3. Minus 8 minus 4. What? This implies if the numbers are same sign, you have to add it. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Big number sign are here. Two signs are minus. I have not multiplied here. Only addition. 8 rupees plus 4 rupees. 12 rupees. But it is a negative, not positive. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. 6 ones are, 6 twos are. D is equal to how much? Minus 2. Sign is very important, students. Okay. D is equal to minus 2. So I have to take A3 for my convenience. I have to take A3 is equal to 4. A9 is equal to minus 8. Okay, it's also same. There is no change. Apply D is equal to minus 2 either in this or in this. A3 is equal to 4. You have to write A plus 2D is equal to 4. A value write as similar plus 2 value. D is what? Minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus into minus 2 2s are 4 equals 4. Minus 4 go to that side. A equals 4 plus 4. A is equal to how much? 4 plus 4? 8. Then A is equal to what? 8. D is equal to minus 2. Nth term an is equal to 0. N is equal to question mark. The formula to find nth term of an AP is A plus N minus 1 into D. An value is how much here? 0. In the place of A, write 0. A value 8 plus N value write as similar. And D value is how much? Minus 2. 8 plus into plus 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 into minus minus 2 into n 2n plus into minus 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 into minus plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 2n write as similar because it is a variable and it is a number. For those reasons, don't add or subtract. It can be separated. Plus 10 come to this side. It will be sign changes. Minus 10 is equal to minus 2n. Then n equals minus 10 by minus 2. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. N equals 5 is the correct answer. Okay, I have to explain it once again. Third term is 4. The ninth term is minus 8. Which term of the AP is 0? Means nth term is also given 0. We should find out the value of n. D formula AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. The AP is given minus a, write as similar, minus A3. AQ means 4, P value 9, Q value 3, minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. D is equal to what? Minus 2. Substitute this D is equal to minus 2 either in this number, nth term, nothing but the third term or the ninth term. For my convenience, I have to take easy. A3 is equal to 4. I have to substitute the value of D is equal to minus 2 in the third term only. Third term is A plus 2D is equal to 4. A write as similar, plus also write as similar to D means minus 2 equals 4. Plus into minus, minus 2 twos are 4 equals 4. Minus 4 go to the side, plus 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then A equals what? 8. B equals minus 2. A equals 0. N is equal to question mark. Formula, we have to know that A is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A n value is 0. It is given value. And A, I have to find it already. 8 plus N value is how much? We should find out. Right as similar N minus 1. D value minus 2. 8 plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, 2 into into A, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, minus 2n, plus 10, come to this side, minus 10 equals minus 2n, minus 2n, minus 2, go to the denominator, minus 10 divided by 2, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, n is equal to 5, okay. Next. Seventh one, if the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. Find the common difference is the formula. Solution for this problem. Once again, I have to read the problem. The 17th term of an AP exceeds the 17th term of the AP exceeds its 10th term. 10th term is A10 by how much? 7 is the statement. It is also given common difference. We should find out the value of D. A17 written in the form of A plus 16D and A10 is written in the form of A plus 9D plus 7. Okay, there is no formula here, simple. A17 means A plus 16D, A10 means A plus 9D, 7 right as similar. This A and this A cancelled out, plus 9 come to this side. 16D plus 9 come to this side, minus 9D is equal to 7. Dear students, be understand correctly. The variables are like terms in one side and number in the another side. For those reasons, I have to shift plus 90 from the right hand side to left hand side. 16D right as similar, the sign will be changes. Plus changes into minus 90 is equal to 7. 16D minus 90 is equal to how much? 70 is equal to 7. Cross multiply this. D equals 7 by 7. 7 ones are, 7 ones are. D is equal to 7. It is a problem for the examination point of view, 2 marks only. Okay, I have to explain once again. That much only. A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. A17 is written in the form of A plus 16D. And similarly, A10 written in the form of A plus 9D plus 7 right as similar. The number in either side with a common sign, they will be cancelled. A cancelled. 16D plus 90 come to right hand side to left hand side, the sign changes. Minus 90 is equal to 7. 16d minus 90 is equal to how much? 7d is equal to 7. Cross multiplied 7 by 7 get d is equal to 7. Next, the eighth one. Eighth problem number 8. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. Okay. It is a problem. Once again, I have to read the problem. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, I have to find it. Solution for this problem. A equals how much? 3. D value is how much? D equals A2 minus A1. A2 is how much here? 15 minus A1 value is 3 is equal to 12. D value 12. So, which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? 54 terms. A equals A54 plus 132. Okay, statement is correct or not? I have to check it once again. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? AN, what is the formula? AN, you have to know that A plus N minus 1 into D. A54 is written in form of A plus 53D plus 132. AA cancel. Then N minus 1 into D. Here N minus 1 into D. N is we should find out. So N minus 1. D value is how much? 12 equals 53D. 53 into D value is how much? D value is 12 plus 132. Multiply this. 12 3s are 36. 3. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 3. 63 plus 132. Okay. Once again I have to write on the above. Okay, once again, n minus 12 into n is how much? 12n minus 12 ones are 12 equals here how much? 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 768, minus 12 go to that side, 12n equals 768 plus 12. Cross multiply this. N is equal to 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 780 divided by 12. Okay, you have to divide it. N value. Is it correct or not? 768, 770, 780. 12n. Yes. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. 12 into n, 12n. Yes, 12 ones are 12 equals 636. 12 3s are 56. Sorry, 36. 3 carry. 12 5s are 60 plus 3, 63 plus 132. Then 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. You have to divide it. Is it divided or not? I have to check.